हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाउ आर यू गाइस? So in this video I am going to show you my different type of income sources, and I am also going to show you my next goals, the goals for my next quarter that I am going to achieve. Okay, so I will jump into my computer and show you the breakdown of my income sources that I currently have, that I am generating, and I am actually on the process of making few more. So I am going to show you exactly, and let me know if you like this type of video. Okay.
So guys, let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you my incomes. Okay, the sources of incomes. So here you can see. Okay, here you can see. So the maximum of my income actually comes from Amazon FBA. Okay, this is from one store, and this store is the biggest store. Okay, and my targets for this store is to cross 3 crores in revenue by the end of this year. Okay, per month. And the next biggest source of my income is through digital courses. Okay, so I have few programs that I sell. Okay, a step-by-step program for beginners. Okay, and it is a step-by-step program I teach in which like how to sell on Amazon FBA from starting to the end. Okay, it is a very good course with a lot of success stories. Okay, I have also shared a couple of testimonials in my YouTube channel as well. So so next is, okay, I actually run your advertising for a few big brands as well. Okay, like I have a agency that helps in creating Amazon advertisement and managing their PPC campaigns, managing their advertisement for some big brands. Okay, I do not advertise about this in my YouTube channel that a lot. Okay, so I do not have a lot of clients, but still I have some clients that I do the advertisement. Okay, I have a team that handles everything, and I kind of take care of that. Okay, and then I also own. Okay, I also do that service of product photography for Amazon sellers, A plus content. Okay, now these are very high quality product photos because I know what converts the most. Okay, so I do not advertise about this a lot. It's just the clients that I get from organic. Okay, I have a team for that, since I have already a team that manages my product photography and all. So I actually help others to actually do this with our team as well. Okay, it covers product photography, then A plus content, then copywriting of your listing. Okay, and everything. Okay, yeah. And then I have also the affiliate earnings. Okay, so I only like promote only one product that I use. Okay, and I do not promote without any cause. Okay, like I promote the particular software that I use and that I feel is the best. Okay, I only promote Helium 10. Okay, I do not promote any other tools so far. Okay, because I only use Helium 10 for my purposes, for product validation, for keyword research and listing optimization and all. Okay, and it also has the profits that analyzes your profit and earning. Okay, and the advertisement console for this is very good. Okay, for Helium 10. So these are kind of my current sources of incomes. Okay, now I have couple of more sources of incomes, but on which I haven't started generating revenues. Okay, and those are kind of in the make right now. So I also have two more Amazon stores. Okay, which I just started, and it is on the early stage, and on which my revenue target for the next 3 months is 10 lakhs per month from each of the store. Okay, so those are different brands, different stores, and are actually I am partnered with few of the people in those stores. Okay, so those I have a target of around 10 lakhs per month in the next 3 months. Each store will should have should be doing 10 lakhs per month in the next 3 months. Okay, and I also actually I am partnered with someone in an organic brand. Okay, it's a kind of passive income because I only provide the investment on that. I do not involve much in the decision making and all. Okay, that's and my target for that is to open two more retail outlets for that. It is a kind of different in a theme niche store. Okay, and I also want to create an online store for that in the next 3 months. Okay, this is kind of the goal. And then I am also targeting Amazon.com. Okay, I have got few partners that are actually interested in that, and so for that I am targeting the next 3 months. I should cross around 30,000 USD per month within the next 3 months. Okay, because I already know how everything works. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I'm going to cross that 30,000 per month in the next 3 months. I am researching for products to launch on that. Okay, I got a very good partner that is supporting me a lot in that. It's a US partner. So yeah, And then I am actually jumping into residential apartments with a partner who is also already in this business. So I am partnering with someone who is already in this business, who knows how this works. So I'm partnering with him in this residential apartments thing. Okay, basically I have this thing to go into real estate. Okay, to diversify my investments. And then I am also starting, okay, in the next 3 months I have a goal to start a coffee brand, which is kind of my passion, but it is also going to give some money as well. Okay, so these are kind of things that I am working right now. Okay, and obviously I work on a quarter. Okay, like in a quarter. Okay, in one quarter, like I work only in two projects. I do not like focus my all attention in all of this at the same time. So that's kind of what things I'm working in the next year. I'm actually kind of doing 10x my income. Okay, more than 10x. I'm kind of in the goal. Okay, so let me know what you think of these goals and what are your goals. Okay, just let me know. And yeah, if you love this kind of video, I can actually share my numbers. Okay, I am planning to share the numbers of this investments and the incomes in the next couple of videos. So let me know what are your thoughts on this type of video. Okay.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really like this kind of content, and let me know if you're interested in more videos like this. So I'll see you in the next video.